Good morning, and we're reporting live from the Mountain State here in West Virginia. Welcome back. Today we're headed towards Canaan Valley Ski Resort, located in Davis, West Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Working with 850 feet of vertical today. I believe they have about 46 total trails at the resort. 23 are open according to the ski report this morning. It's been a pretty great winter so far. This past week we experienced a bunch of rainfall, so we'll see how the conditions are holding up out here in West Virginia, give you a little report. Canaan Valley Ski Resort's known for having endless potential. They're looking to upgrade some infrastructure in the coming years. It's a state-owned park. The state parks located in West Virginia are free. West Virginia is just a little piece of solitude, a little John Denver flair. Looking forward to getting out on the hill today, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Canaan Valley Ski Resort in Davis, West Virginia. Had a good time out there. I'm going to give this place a 3.5 shred score. The base got destroyed by the rain that came through this week in high temperatures, so they were up to about a 60-inch base. That's pretty impressive, but it got knocked out, that's for sure. Lines are non-existent, you know. If you're looking to ski West Virginia with no lines, or even ski someone locally, wherever you're coming from, with no lines, you know, Canaan Valley definitely offers that. Looking forward to getting out to my next hill. Not sure where it'll be, and I'll see y'all next time.